Welcome to the Indian Culture and Heritage lesson on Introduction to Culture. By the end of the video, you will learn about the concept of culture, its significance in civilization, how it constructs heritage, the general characteristics of culture, as well as its importance in human life. So, let's begin with understanding the meaning of culture. Well, imagine culture as a magical garden that grows from seeds of traditions, beliefs, and practices. Just like a garden needs tending and care, our culture evolves and blossoms over time. Culture isn't just about food and clothes, though those are definitely part of the mix. It's like a treasure trove of ideas, art, and ways of living that people create together. Think of it as the recipe that makes us who we are. Now, cultures can be as unique as your fingerprint. Whether you're in a village, city, or somewhere in between, your culture is like your special flavor in the grand feast of humanity. Our ancestors, they're the real most valuable people here. They've passed down stories, wisdom, and even those spicy family recipes. They shaped our culture and gifted it to us like a precious heirloom. But culture isn't just stuffy old books and statues. Music, movies, dance, they're all parts of the culture party. Picture this, you're at a colorful fair, munching on local treats, and grooving to some traditional beats. That's culture in action. Now, let's talk about civilization. It's like a puzzle where society pieces together smarter ways to do things, from farming to technology. And sometimes, these puzzle pieces fit so well, they form a beautiful civilization picture. But, culture and civilization aren't exactly twins. Civilization is about building a better world outside, while culture, it's about nurturing our inner selves. Think of it this way, you could have the fanciest smartphone and live in a skyscraper, but that doesn't automatically make you cultured. Cultured people have that extra sparkle in their hearts and minds. Now, let's move on to heritage. Our history shapes our heritage. It's like a big treasure chest filled with things our ancestors left behind. From majestic palaces to brilliant scientific discoveries, it's all part of our heritage story. Our heritage isn't locked in the past. It's alive today, like a bridge connecting our past to our present. Culture isn't just a word, it's a celebration of who we are. So, every time you learn something from your family, your friends, or your society, you're adding a new gem to your cultural backpack. And since cultures change over time, it's like updating your backpack with new, snazzy items. Now, cultures are like a bunch of puzzle pieces. They might look different, but they're all part of the same big picture. Think about it, just like a jigsaw puzzle. Each culture brings its own set of thoughts, behaviors, and traditions. Your culture helps shape who you are, from the way you talk to the things you believe in. And that's not all, cultures are like friends that share secrets with each other. Imagine having a taste of delicious food from a different part of the world or discovering unique traditions that make you go, wow. Finally, let's talk about a secret code. Culture is ideational. It means, if you follow the ways of your culture, you'll fit right in with your cultural friends. It's like having a special handshake that makes everyone smile. That's all we had for this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.